We're at the security gate at the Intuit Arena in Inglewood, California, getting ready to gain access to the facility. Beautiful, beautiful.
We're at the Intuit Arena in Inglewood, California for the game between the Clippers and the Wizards. It's a beautiful venue here.
Are we doing this? I'm cold. We're here at the Intuit Dome and we're about to see a Clipper game. Excited. This is our first time over here. We're in Inglewood and I am excited to be at the Intuit Dome. I was hoping to get like, you know, frisk or everything, but it was like, it was really, you know what, it was really good to just go the whole security thing to make sure that everybody came in here safe and everything like that. So, you know what, I have no problem with the whole searching and everything like that. You know, hey, better safe than sorry with all these crazy people here, you know, that's happening in this world. So I rather than be safe than sorry, but look at this beautiful venue. It's cold, we're talking, we're talking, and we're looking at the sign over here, the Intuit Dome. Beautiful, 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 absolutely beautiful. Excited to be here. And the tip-off is at 7:30, and we're going to see our Clipper game. So again, we're so excited. This is absolutely amazing. The visual effects are absolutely outstanding. Somebody absolutely, like, this is absolutely creative. I'm saying the word absolutely like a lot, but this is like totally amazing, creative. I mean, like, the mind that went into creating this dome is like amazing. So yeah, I'm just excited to be here. My first time here at the dome to see my first Clipper game in a long time. That was stupid. I need to go around, put the jacket here, like that.
This is a beautiful venue. It's got a lot of activities going on around the game. Tonight, the Clippers face off the Wizards at 7:30, like Cheryl said, and it's going to be my first experience coming into the Intuit Dome, which is a beautiful venue. Huge, huge. We'll show you a little bit more inside. Excellent. We're walking towards the wall, which is kind of like a long ways. It's just beautiful. Okay. And this is where we're headed now.
But I can't see for the zero in.
We're inside the venue now. And we have a bunch of stores in here. This is the Los Angeles Clippers souvenir. There's more jerseys right here on this side. Number 23 Pacific, number 10 Paradise. These look like high school jerseys. We'll continue to see what they have.
I am having a great time here watching the pregame as the basketball players from the NBA warm up. And we're here admiring this beautiful venue. Look at the lighting. The sound system is amazing and is well put together. The only drawback to it is that it's hard to walk in between the seats because there's not enough space. So you basically have a hard time moving from one place to another or letting other people in. Look at this beautiful scene right here. You could see the players already in uniform, in the warm-up uniform, getting ready for the big game later on. But it's just the beauty of seeing this spectacle. It's amazing. It's worth your admission ticket to be part of one game. One of the interesting things in this venue is that you have to download the app, the Intuit app, to be able to purchase anything in the store. So you can't use credit card or anything. It has to be through the application. And as soon as you walk into the store, whether it's a hot dog or hamburger, or if you want to get a jersey or a basketball, it's face recognition. You come into the store and they know who you are. And once you walk out, you don't even have to cash out or pay anything. They will automatically deduct that amount from your credit card that you loaded into the app previously before attending the game. So it is so up to leading edge technology. I love it.
El otro guardia pidiendo 6'5 de Arizona State. Número 1, James Harden. Y del otro delantero, pidiendo 6'7 de Moreno Valley, California. Número 2, Kawhi Leonard. El entrenador es Tyronn Lue. Damas y caballeros, sus LA Clippers.
Well, the moment is here. We're about to get going, get started with the game between the Clippers and the Wizards. It's a beautiful spectacle again as we see the two teams from NBA face off in this brand new venue. It's beautiful. And there we go. This is the beginning of the game, which was won by the Clippers, 110 to, I think it was 93, but we'll see the final score.
Cooper Nation, it is time for Tic-Tac-Toe presented by Modelo. I am here with my contestant, Brandon. DJ Dent, who you got over there?
You know what? I'm over here with my guy Dylan. Real simple, tic-tac-toe. All you gotta do is make a layup first, and you go grab your Modelo piece, put it down first one with tic-tac-toe wins. It's real easy. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Fans, get behind us. On your mark, get set, go!
They're gonna make that layup first, then they're gonna grab a Modelo piece.
It's a simple game of tic-tac-toe.
Brandon's got his in the middle.
This is...
Okay.
Let's just see.
No, Brandon,
Let's just see.
Brandon.
No, let's just see. You can't help.
Oh, yes, I can. This is a team over here. A team effort.
Up here, Rick.
Brandon, come on.
Come on, Dylan.
Oh,
He's thinking. Don't even worry about it. Just make that, come place one down. Come place one down. Hurry up.
oh no.
Yes, it is a cat's game, which means Dylan has more pieces down there. Dylan wins. Cooper Nation, give him a round of applause. You know what? Courtesy of Modelo, you got yourself a big free.
And this is basically the first performance of the night of the Clippers girls. And it was magnificent. It was full of energy, entertainment galore, and it kept the audience on their age. So after this performance, they also came back to dance at the end of the game. But this one was probably the highlight. This performance right here that you are watching was probably the best, the more exciting, the best music, and it kept us all entertained. Watching them coordinating the dances throughout at least 3 to 5 minutes. It was beautiful. I had a great time watching the Clipper girls.
Blizzards 93. Nation, our guys will be back in action Saturday, January 25th. We'll be taking on the Milwaukee Bucks. Tip-off is at 7:30. The floor is open at 6. Be sure to get your tickets at clippers.com/tickets or Ticketmaster.
Ladies and gentlemen.